To change the color of a shirt in Adobe Photoshop, you can follow these simple steps. Open the image in Photoshop. Select the shirt using any of the selection tools like the lasso tool or magic wand tool.
If the sky's breaking down, if the lightning comes to strike, I'll be the projection on the
Once you have selected the shirt, create a new adjustment layer by clicking on the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel.
Give me the thunder, hear the thunder, cozy thunder, right now. Give me the thunder, hear the thunder, cozy thunder, right now. Give me the
Choose color from the drop-down menu. Apply it to the shirt. Choose Hue/Saturation from the drop-down menu. In the Hue/Saturation panel, select the Colorize option by checking the box. Adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders until you get the desired color. If you want to fine-tune the color, you can also use the eyedropper tool in the Hue/Saturation panel to select a color from the image and apply it to the shirt. Once you are happy with the color, click OK to apply the changes. Save your edited image. That's it. You have successfully changed the color of the shirt in Adobe Photoshop.